Look at her! So kawaii! Away from us!
Please stop!
This ends.
As dawn breaks, butterflies emerge from cocoons. They're beautiful, colorful, alive. Margo watches in amazement.
The firefly saved my life. This tiny creature loved me when no one else did.
Hello, little one. You look lost. It's okay, you're safe with me. And you? You seem frightened. You're hurt. Come, rest. Welcome, friends.
I will be your protector. I will be your friend. I will be your hope. I know your pain because I lived it. One night, the firefly glows brighter than ever. She's not just saved. She's loved. Thank you for not giving up on me. I thought I was all alone.
Friends! You were now surrounded by friends.
And glowing with happiness. We were so wrong.
I don't hate you.
I invite you to the garden.
After everything,
I choose forgiveness over revenge.
you're stronger than your pain.
Come.
The garden becomes a sanctuary for all lonely creatures. Margo is their queen, their savior, their hope. I was saved by the smallest light in the darkest moment.